you're looking for an ultimate fine finish without having to worry about sanding after the cutting process, then the Freud LU74 series Thin Kerf Ultimate Cutoff Blade is the solution for you. Available in sizes of 8, 10, 12, and 14 inches. The LU74 series allows you to cross-cut without blowout and or chipping during the cutting process. It has a high-density TiCo carbide with an ATB tooth geometry that can be sharpened up to 12 times. The Thin Kerf Ultimate Cutoff Blade also features a non-stick perma coating that resists heat and pitch buildup up to 2 times longer than standard blades. It has an anti-vibration technology that stabilizes the blade for smooth cuts with superior finishes and extended blade life. Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud products, so log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.